Hi everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I will show you how to create nail extensions in a cute shell embedded design in one shot. When embedding shells, have you ever experienced corners popping out or the thick coating that you try to embed resulting in uneven surface? In such cases, let's use hard gel and a dual foam tip to create smooth shell embedded nails in one shot. I will explain in an easy to understand manner, so please watch this article until the end. Okay, let's get started. Start with nail care, sanding, oil removal, and applying a base coat. First, prepare the dual foam tip. Use a tip specially designed for nail extensions such as polygel, not a tip for drawing designs. Now, select a tip that fits your nails. I recommend a size that covers the entire width of the nail, and a larger size is easier to work with than a smaller size. Look at the nail from the side and push down on the skin. This is smaller than the width of the nail. So choose a tip that covers this much nail width. Another common mistake is that some people measure the size by pushing the tip down. This will not result in a beautiful form. So do not press the tip down, but place it on the nail keeping the shape as it is to check the size. Once you have selected a tip that is the right size for your nail width, cut the shape of the base of the tip so that it matches the shape of your nails. You can either shape it with the file or cut it with nail clippers. Once the dual foam is ready, we will embed the shell inside the tip. First, put the hard gel on the tip, about half of the amount to be used at one time. Spread the thin layer of the hard gel with a brush. Place it next to your fingernail and spread the gel to the desired length. After spreading the gel to the desired length, prepare your favorite shells. In this case, I will use this one. If the shell is too big, break it by hand to adjust the size beforehand. Place the shells on the tip side of the nail so that it forms the letter V of the alphabet. Check that the shells are well balanced by looking from the back side. Once the shells and other parts are placed, cure the nail as it is to prevent it from moving. Once cured, apply gold glitter on top of the shells. Again, apply the glitter in a V shape so that there is this glitter towards the base of the nail. After applying the glitter, cure. Next, attach the finished dual foam tip to your own nails. If you want to apply color gel on the natural nail side, apply it here before placing the tip on the nail. Now, Place the other half of the hard gel on the inside of the tip and spread it thinly with the brush. After spreading the gel, turn the tip over and place it on your nails. Once the tip is placed at the base of the nail, place it about 1 millimeter from the base of the nail. Slowly tilt the tip of the nail down as well. Once the entire tip is attached to the nail, slowly push into the base of the nail. Remove your hand and check for any gel leakage at the base or both sides. If there is any leakage, be sure to wipe it off with a brush before curing. After confirming that there is no leakage, cure. Once cured, remove the tip. Hold the tip of the tip and twist it to the left and right to remove it. Next, wipe off any sticky uncured gel remaining on the nail surface with ethanol on a kitchen paper. After wiping off the uncured gel, use a file to shape the nail tip to your desired shape. After shaving the nail into the desired shape, file the surface of the nail to the extent that it becomes slightly cloudy. This is to ensure good adhesion with the gel to be applied next, so it is okay to just slightly stroke the surface so as not to destroy the beautiful shape that has been created by the dual foam. If there is a bump at the base of the nail, shave it off so that it becomes smooth. After filing, wipe off the shavings cleanly with ethanol on kitchen paper. Finally, apply a no-wipe top coat. When you have finished applying it to the entire surface, cure it. This completes the process. Unlike polygel, hard gel is highly transparent, so it is recommended to use gel for this kind of clear design. How did you like the design of embedding shells using hard gel? Shells are very hard to embed, but if you use a dual foam tip, you can create both beautiful forms and embed shells in a single step, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.